let me ask you something.
What's that one thing that you've been wanting to start? You know the one. Maybe it's a project, a dream, or even a small change in your life. You've thought about it countless times, imagined how it could change everything. But for some reason, you haven't taken that first step. And why is that? Is it fear? Doubt? The feeling of not being ready? Well, let me tell you a little secret. No one ever feels completely ready. Perfection is an illusion. And waiting for the perfect time often means waiting forever. The truth is, the hardest part isn't the doing, it's the starting. And once you take that first step, momentum begins to build. Suddenly, what felt impossible starts to feel achievable.
You don't need to have it all figured out right now. You just need to begin. I mean, I feel exactly like this whenever I'm starting a big art project. So I thought I'd share a little bit about that process. I've been feeling a little bit down lately. I don't know what it is, but because of that, I've not really felt like doing any drawing and working on this piece behind me. I don't know if it's because it's just such a big piece that big sort of like white blank canvas is a little bit daunting, but I've just not really felt like working on it. It's just felt like a real challenge to pick up the charcoal and make a start on it. But I think today I'm going to just try and get a little bit done, and hopefully it's going to spur a little bit of enthusiasm from me to get this painting done. Like when I started it, I was really excited to begin it, but I don't know what's gone on, but I've just lost that enthusiasm to get going. Hopefully, just by picking up my stuff and getting stuck in, I'll brighten up a little bit and I will start to get into the flow of this piece. One of the things that I've tried to do with this piece to try and sort of like reduce how intimidating it is put out a grid. I projected the initial sketch on there because it is so big, and I can't step far enough back in my garage to be able to actually like see the whole thing as one singular piece, or as much as I'd like to be able to do. So what I've done is I've plotted some little grid marks, and those grid marks are all throughout the entire canvas or paper that I'll be working on. So I'll be able to sort of focus on one aspect of the lion itself rather than working on all of it all at once. I'll be able to really hone in on each of those grids and try and get them as photorealistic as possible, because that's what the client wants for this one. A really photorealistic looking piece when it's finished. So here is where I'm at with it so far. I've just done one eye. I'm getting a little bit happier with how it's looking, and I'm getting a little bit happier with myself. I'm just going to take a break now to build a canvas for Amber. I don't usually make canvases, but I'm pretty happy with how this one's turned out. Like, listen to that. Play it like a drum. And I think that's exactly what you want in a canvas. So that's done. Now I can get back to this. I've been drawing for just over an hour and we've got a good chunk more of this finished. Obviously not as much as I'd like, but we're getting there and I am much happier with the progress that I'm making on it. But now it's lunchtime. Not gonna lie, looks a little bit like dog food. At least it doesn't smell like dog food. It's amazing how just a little bit of food and a few hours of actually starting the work has just massively improved my mood. I've still got such a long way to go with that drawing, but it's not intimidating me as much anymore. I'm way more focused and so much more excited about finishing this piece now.
And to think of all that energy that I spent worrying. Now imagine channeling that energy into action. Even the smallest step forward is progress, and progress creates confidence. So today, I challenge you. Take one small step towards a thing that you've been putting off. Just one. Write that first sentence, make that first call, pick up the paintbrush, lace up the shoes. Whatever it is, start. Remember, you're not aiming for perfection. You're aiming for movement. And once you're in motion, nothing can stop you.
It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. The world's waiting for what only you can offer. So go ahead. Start.